Well, it's finally half term and I've got a new project. This is our little rabbit, one of them. And this is the outdoor run, which has got the other one in it. They have to be kept separate because they fight. And you can see the state of the roof. I'd like to say that this was all because of Storm Eunice the other day. I mean, to be honest, it's been rotting away, but Eunice basically finished it off. It was strapped onto the top, but it has blown off twice. So this is pretty much rotted away to completely. I mean, you can see they eat it. This little one, she gets up on the top and has been nibbling away at the outside on the top. She's learnt how to jump on the top, and I'm a bit worried that she's going to jump in the on the inside. And even this bit, I had to replace a bit of wood on the inside. So this has basically had its day, and so we've bought a new one to replace it. But given the state of the weather, oh hello cat, given the state of the weather at the moment, it's going to take me a little while to build it. So in the meantime, I'm going to have to just kind of live with the manky one outside and hope for the best and put the rabbits away early. But once I've built this one to replace the old one, I'm going to then try and do some massive repairs on the old one, so we end up with two that are just about decent. So that's it for today. I will try and keep you updated on the repairs as they go.